What's up, y'all? It's your girl Kiamani, and I'm back at it again with another video. And I am going to be doing a wig review on a wig from ISEE. So this is a 26-inch closure wig, and if I'm not mistaken, she's 180% density. As of lately, I've loved wigs that haven't been super duper full, that give me just like a natural vibe, and this was perfect for that. I did decide to use it to pluck it into a middle part, and I wanted just a sleek everyday wig. I feel like closure wigs are more so everyday wigs as opposed to frontals, because honestly, you really don't have to glue down that closure wig, especially if it's fitting your head perfectly. You really could just slide it on and go. I did already bleach and pluck my closure off camera just because I didn't want to show you that process again, because I've done it in so many other videos, but I did just do the same process. And I am spraying some, I think it's called Milani silkening spray on the hair before I'm straightening her, just to give it a nice sleek look. And I like this spray because it's not too heavy. After that process is done, I'm going to take this Garnier Fructis. I don't even know what this really is. I just know it's called Sleek and Shine. I don't know if this is considered heat protectant or what, but I love the finished product that it gives. And sometimes I do like to just flat iron this into the hair, but since this hair is not super duper full, I didn't want it to look stringy. So I just put it on my hands, rubbed it through, and it does give it a very silky, like a silk press look. Now, if you look very closely, you see that this closure, sis, is laid. Okay? And I really like closures because I just feel like as a beginner, it's very easy to get this wig in order. It doesn't take long. Of course, I feel like it's essential that you do have to pluck and bleach, but only plucking a 4x4 closure, or even if you have a 5x5 closure, is really not that hard. It's super simple and straight to the point. Here I'm just showing you the inside of the wig. The cap construction is perfect. The wig is super flat. And I'm just going to slide her right on. And even before I glue her down, you can see how seamless she blends in. This is some very good lace. Very good lace. And I like how dark the wig looks, even though it's not, I didn't dye it jet black, but she's so cute. So I'm just going to install her as I regularly do. And that's with my Got To Be gel. Once you've got your baby hairs in order and the front glued down, you just want to apply your scarf and let her sit for maybe, I would say, at least 15 minutes. And this is the finished look. This is a super flat, super simple, everyday kind of wig. You don't have to glue her down if you don't want to, and she's seamless, super flat, and just, I feel like the perfect style for any occasion. So that's how the hair looks from the back and how silky it is in the front. So if you did want to pick up this wig, everything on her will be in the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one.